When people talking about nano-ceramic coating, do you know why they use embellished ceramic coating with 9H hardness? And what is 9H originally from? Honestly speaking, 9H is short for 9 hardness, and this is the original method to check the quality of pencils. This method was developed in the early 20th century by pencil manufacturers. They took to pieces different pencils to scratch a coated surface, and if they caused the same damage to the coated surface, then these two pieces pencils will be considered to be the same hardness. Reversely, people from coating industry adopted this manner today to measure the coating hardness by using variations of standardized pencil hardness. While 9H hardness rating is supposed to be the highest among the pencil quality control, then ceramic coating now embellished with 9H shows top quality enough to against scratch damage and to good protection for cars or boats paint. That is why many companies use 9H as marketing tool for their ceramic coating products. However, since 9H is top quality control standard, why some people still claim the bad quality after application of 9H hardness nano-ceramic coating to their cars? That is a simple question, as nano-ceramic coating is one kind of chemical formula product, and different component formulas will lead to different effects. Just take a simple example for your easy understanding. Let us say 1 bottle of orange juice. If people enjoy one real orange juice, they will be very satisfied with the taste. But if people have one orange juice mixed with more water, then they will feel the taste is very terrible. That is same rule. In the markets, some 9H ceramic coating with very cheap offer to attract people. If they are really 100% real nano liquid, absolutely no. They are stretching the truth to consumers. But what is real 9H ceramic coating? How to choose one correct nano ceramic coating for our cars or boats? One is thickness. About real 9H ceramic coating should be reasonably over 150 microns thickness. And if enough thickness, it can help your cars to avoid the bluray from sunshine. Why this is so important? As in the sun radiation spectrum, the blue ray is considered to be the longest ray and terribly destructive. Blu-ray will damage our eyes. It will cause some dazzle light which is not good for driving. Also, it will cause some people to be MDD. We called it major depressive disorder. More and more people were diagnosed such illness in the world. Why Blu-ray is so terribly destructive? It is the longest and most harmful ray among all sunshine rays. and this spray will cause car paint to be easily fade and rusty. And the 2 is the density of Nano liquid. You can compare those very cheap offered Nano ceramic coating, and you can find their liquid is very dilute, as it is mixed with some other components to do liquid main component formulas. Therefore, its cost can come down. That is the main reason why they can give such cheaper offer. But the liquid is not good quality as it only lasts few days. The third is slippery surface. According to the pencil hardness test, one pencil can be easy to cross slippery surface without any opportunity to bite the surface, then it won't cause damage. Therefore, real 9H ceramic coating should be bound on slippery surface. You can take a transparent bottle. To do the test yourself, you bring some Nano liquid slowly into the transparent bottle and wait for 30 minutes. Then the liquid will form one strong bond, and the bond surface should be slipped, not any split reticulate. Then this Nano liquid is real Nano formula, with good quality.